Hello from Finland.
And a Happy New Year! So during the day, on the 31st of December, I saw some news. There is actually 2 concerts in the city center of Helsinki that day. One at 5 o'clock in the evening and the other one at 10. So one was for kids and the second one was for adults. And it was really cool that they organized a separate concert for children with the fireworks. It was a really nice band and they were showing all kinds of cool stuff like acrobatics and a fire show. And then after the band there was a fireworks. And that was Sebi's first fireworks he has ever seen.
And it was really cool, like proper fireworks on the New Year's Eve. That was really nice to see because usually we miss it because Sebi needs to go to sleep and we are at home.
Usually during the New Year's we like to travel because this is also Petri's birthday.
Yeah.
We made with Sebi for Daddy a really nice cake. This is our family's favorite cake. Guys, you're not gonna believe the ingredients of this cake and the way it tastes because it tastes fantastic. It's so delicious. Here is the clip of me and Sebi making the cake. That's the first time I ever made a video of me cooking. So next time I will probably do some close-ups so you can actually see what we are doing. Because now I was a bit more concerned that Sebi is okay, not getting hurt at the kitchen, helping me around. So, ingredients of this cake. You need 1 bar of dark chocolate. Then you need dates for sweetener and 2 cans of kidney beans, red kidney beans. And basically, I also put a bit of coconut flour. So basically that's all ingredients you need. Rinse the beans, you drain them. You wash dates, you take the pits out and then you blend everything together, melt your chocolate on the stove, put the liquid chocolate in and then mix it all together very well and then add a bit of flour. Honestly, I don't measure anything because I just go by the consistency and the taste, but that was really good. Did you like the cake?
It's really nice. You wouldn't believe that from kidney beans comes such a delicious cake. Like it's so surprising, but it's really nice and it's relatively healthy. So no guilty eating it.
Yeah. Like when I saw the recipe for the first time, I couldn't believe that from the kidney beans you can make a cake. That just sounds so ridiculous. I have to try. And then I tried to recreate a bit of this New Year food from Russia. since our family is vegan, I cannot put all those fishes and meat salads that usually people make in Russia, but I tried to make Olivier salad, which is traditional for New Year night. That was our very simple New Year dinner and a birthday cake for the birthday guy. Midnight we went outside and we burned Бенгальские огни. I don't know what to do in English. I will put the text down below. I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, the thing.
Бенгальские огни.
Basically, the thing looks like a welding rod, but it's burning way different from
what
that.
the welder would say. And we made wishes, but we told each other what we wished for, so we can also help and support each other in those wishes. And one of these wishes is we are determined to get
Fit.
So 2020, we have to get fit.
Yeah.
And even on our wedding day, we were still very skinny and young. And then 9 months later happened Sebastian.
Yeah.
And then I put 18 kilos during the pregnancy. And then I haven't slept after his birth for a year because he was waking up every 20 minutes. And then Petri was all emotional as well, and he didn't sleep much either. And we were both eating too much sugar.
Yeah.
Just to trying to
compensate somehow.
Just trying to stay awake and have some kind of energy to function.
Yeah.
So we both got a bit chubby. We organized it because before also you had other hobbies going on, and now that now you got yourself another expensive hobby.
Yeah, exactly.
So
more on that later.
Okay, we're not gonna say yet.
No.
I don't know. You will see in probably next few videos if it's gonna happen. We're not gonna tell yet.
Yeah.
But the thing is that we made this a priority. Look for updates on the physique because we're gonna make very embarrassing videos of our chubby progress. But like I would like to get to this shape what I was before I got Sebi. I was not skinny then, but I was fit. And we used to do so much sports back then. Let's support each other because now that we told everybody that we have to get fit, we have to show some results at the end of the year. We cannot fall off the wagon like in a month, just like nah.
No.
Now when you guys know we have to really do this, the more people you say what you're gonna do, the more kind of responsibility you get to actually do that. So tell us what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check on you as well, how your progress is going.
Yeah. And please like and subscribe.
And please stay tuned for more videos during 2020. We're gonna have plenty, and we have a new video every Sunday at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
Bye!
Bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me